This is Fritz, your senior traveler at the Oregon State Capitol here in Salem. You can see they're doing some renovations, so those tax dollars are being put to work. Want to do a shout out to the state workers of Oregon. You guys and gals do an amazing job. I think that the work that we do, I also was a state worker in another state, is thankless, but we come with education, expertise, commitment, and we just love our jobs. So, and we do everything. Anything in the private sector is done in the public sector. We do healthcare, we do law enforcement, we do highways, we do social services, we do everything. Education, literally everything. So, thumbs up to the state workers here in Oregon. Okay, this is Fritz over at the Liberty Bell here in Salem, Oregon, the capital city. Just a second ago, we saw the state capitol. It is under construction. They're doing some renovations, taxpayer dollars at work. And then you can see this amazing Liberty Bell, which is on the Capitol grounds on the east side of the Capitol. And you can see that right behind me. I don't know that you can read that, but I'm at least zero in on it so you can see the insignia. The words here basically are the same at all the Liberty Bells throughout the country. There are 51 in every state. And then I'll back away a little bit so you can see the Liberty Bell by itself in all of its glory. And immediately behind the Liberty Bell is the state capitol. So this is Fritz signing out. I will be visiting another state capitol tomorrow or the next day. You all take care. And again, thumbs up to the employees of the state of Oregon. All you girls and gals are amazing.